Hello everyone. Today, I'm bringing you an incredible earning opportunity through a website that allows you to make money by simply using your mobile phone. All you need to do is make a few clicks, and with each click, you'll earn dollars. Now, you might be wondering how much you can earn in a day. Well, let me show you. I worked for 6 hours, and during that time, I wasn't even the one doing the work. I had my younger brother sit down and click away. In just 6 hours, he managed to earn $10. If you can dedicate 6 hours a day, just using your mobile phone on this website, you can easily make $10 daily. And the best part? There's no investment required. You can earn money for free and even withdraw it without any hassle. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from setting up your account to making your first withdrawal. Before we dive into the details, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's move on to the laptop screen. We're now on the laptop screen, and I'll show you how to start making money online. I'll teach you how to create an account from scratch. I might not even include a link in the description, so pay attention. Once you visit the site, you'll see an interface with two options: login and register. Since you're new here, click on the register option to create your account. Enter your email address, set a password, and confirm it. After that, click on I'm not a robot. Then click Get Started. In just 2 minutes, your account will be ready, and you'll see a zero balance since it's a fresh account. Now, let me show you how to start earning. This website offers multiple earning methods, and I'll explain each one to you. If you watch this video till the end and start working on this website today, I guarantee that your online earnings will begin. The first earning method is PTC, paid to click. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see the PTC option. Click on it, and you'll see various ads. For every ad you watch, you'll earn 250 coins. Let me demonstrate by earning coins live. This ad is just 11 seconds long. Click Go, and once the seconds count down, complete the CAPTCHA by clicking I'm not a robot, and your earnings will be added to your account. Let's refresh the page to see the earnings update in real time. As you can see, a notification just popped up. 2,500 coins have been added to your account. This is not a screenshot, you're seeing it live. Let's continue to the PTC section to show you that this is not a one-time thing. Here's another ad worth 2,000 coins. It's a 10-second ad, so let's click on Go again. Once the countdown ends, complete the CAPTCHA and your coins will be added. I've just explained one earning method. There are more ways to earn, which I'll explain too. For example, there's the manual faucet option, where you can earn 350 coins by simply clicking once every hour. Just click I'm not a robot, and then click Collect your reward. You can repeat this every hour and see your coins add up. Another method is the auto faucet, where you can earn coins automatically. There are also short links, where each click can earn you up to 177,000 coins. Just click Go, and your earnings will start accumulating. Now, let me show you how to withdraw your earnings. Go to the withdrawal section, and you'll see various methods like Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. Simply enter your Binance wallet address, and your earnings will be transferred without any issues. The withdrawal limit is 4,500 coins. Even if I don't provide a link in the description, you can visit Google and find the website yourself. Create an account, start earning without any investment, and you won't find a better website than this. If you enjoyed this online earning video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.